We can actually say that you're a Division One champion.
All time.
How does that feel?
Feels like I'm in my younger days again. I have not seen a trophy in quite a while. So it's nice to be back here.
I spoke with Gyles, your opponent, and he spoke very highly of how you played and how you were consistent. You weren't spraying the ball as many would say that you would normally do. Going for too much, you really stuck with your game plan this time around.
Yes, I did. For the first, I decided why not try to win the games. It's not like I'm not fit. It's not like I'm not good enough. It's just that I don't try as hard as I possibly can. I'm not training though, which no, I need to actually start training to defend my title.
Congrats firstly to Roshane. He played an excellent game, pushed it to 3 sets. It was a really good match, and he played very well, came out on top on some key points. So congrats to him. I think I left everything out there. So I'll just go back to the drawing board, try to raise my fitness, and hopefully I'll be back a little better next time.
I did come out very confident today. I mean, I've been putting a lot of work in the lab, as you mentioned. So I am happy to see the fruits of my labor today. This is one of those wins where you really feel like it is as a result of the hard work you've been putting in. Ruddy played a great game, but I just felt like I was locked in tonight. I felt like I was playing with a purpose.
I'm good. I'm happy with how I played, even though the scoreline was bad because we went to tiebreak at least 7-8 games or Sunday. But I decided fully to actually play out and not do my regular chip game.
Right, you're hitting the forehand.
Yeah, I was intentionally doing and forcing myself, regardless of making a mistake. So it's just an attempt in myself to kind of hit out more instead of just relying on a slice game to win the match. It's not always about winning right now. I know it would be great to win, but you have to challenge yourself, and I chose this time to actually challenge myself.